Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So I am here with an altogether new initiative known as Prelims Practice Questions. Since Prelims is fast approaching, just 86 days to go, so I can imagine your fear, वो जो डर होता है कि countdown start हो चुका है. So we'll be starting with art and culture first, since art and culture is one area where you struggle the most. Okay, so I'll help you cover the entire Nitin Singhania, all the chapters, all the important chapters of Nitin Singhania with the help of questions. So it will help you retain better. Okay, so the first chapter of Nitin Singhania is on Indian architecture, sculpture and pottery. So one by one, I'll be covering all the topics. The first topic is Harappan art and architecture. So we'll be starting with the questions of Harappan art and architecture today. Tomorrow I'll cover Mauryan art and architecture and so on and so forth. This way we'll complete entire Nitin Singhania so that you are thorough with it with the help of questions. Okay. So the first question is, consider the following statements in context to Harappan seals. Now the first statement is evidence of cow has been found in some seals. Second, most seals have inscriptions in a pictographic script. Third, mathematical images have also been found on some seals. Which of the above given statements is or are correct? Now the options are given to you. You can pause the video, answer in the comment section below, so that after that you can judge, you can analyze how many questions are you able to do correctly out of 10 questions. We'll be doing 10 questions daily. So you can pause the video, solve this question. Now I'll be telling you the answers hand to hand. The first statement is wrong. See, the first statement says that evidence of cow has been found in some seals. This is wrong. There was no evidence of cow that has been found in any seal. So first statement is wrong. Second statement said most seals have inscriptions in a pictographic script. So this statement is correct. Third statement, mathematical images have also been found on some seals. So this statement is also correct. So 2 and 3, the C option is correct. Okay, so the correct statement I have told you, no evidence of cow has been found in any seal. Please mind this fact. So state option 2 and 3, that is option C is correct. Also few other facts I would like to tell you about seals. Sorry. One is that steatite. Steatite, it is the most common material that was used to make seals. Then second, the seals were also used for commercial purposes. They were used for educational purposes also. As I told you that mathematical images have also been found on some seals. Okay, they might also have been used as amulets, etc. Then they were of different shapes and size, like triangular, rectangular, circular, etc. So they were of different shapes and size. Okay. Then there were animal figures also. Like, though I told you that there was no evidence of cow, but other animal figures, other animal impressions were there. Like we had bull, rhinoceros, tiger, elephant, buffalo, goat, etc. etc. So these were some of the important facts regarding Harappan seals. Moving to question number 2. Which of the archaeological findings is or are associated with Mohenjo-daro? So now the first statement is Pashupati seal. Second, post-cremation burial. Third, giant water reservoir. Fourth, red sandstone male torso. And fifth is sculpture of bearded priest. The options are given to you. Pause the video, solve the question. Now, I'll be telling you the answer also. The first statement, Pashupati seal, it is correct. It was found in Mohenjo-daro. Post-cremation burial is also correct. Giant water reservoir is not found in Mohenjo-daro. It was found in Dholavira. I have written the correct statements also over here. Giant water reservoir is found in Dholavira and not in Mohenjo-daro. Then red sandstone male torso. It was also found in Harappa and not in Mohenjo-daro. Okay. Sculpture of bearded priest. Yes, this was found in Mohenjo-daro. So first, second and fifth statement is correct. First, second and fifth. That means D option is the correct option. Okay, in Mohenjo-daro, there was also the Great Bath, other things that were other archaeological findings associated with Mohenjo-daro, Great Bath. Then we had Great Granary. Okay, Great Granary was also there. And then Pashupati seal was there, sculpture of bearded priest, etc. These were the major archaeological findings, main archaeological findings in Mohenjo-daro. Coming to question number 3. Select the correct statement or statements from the following with respect to the dancing girl found in one of the Indus Valley sites. The first statement is it is found in Mohenjo-daro. Second, it is the world's oldest bronze sculpture. Third, she stands in a Tribhanga dancing posture with the left hand on her hip. Now, I am giving you the time. Pause the video. Take 2 seconds or take your time. Pause the video, solve the question. I am telling you the answers. The first statement is correct. It is found in Mohenjo-daro. This is correct. The second statement says it is the world's oldest bronze sculpture. This is also correct. But the third statement is wrong because the third statement says she stands in a Tribhanga dancing posture. This part is correct. Yes, Tribhanga dancing posture was there, but with not the left hand but the right hand on her hip. So please keep these points in mind while reading the statement. Keep focus or lay down the focus on every word, every single word. Okay, so the examiner may confuse you. She stands in a Tribhanga dancing posture but with the right hand on her hip. So they may check how nicely you are reading the statements or your knowledge about the findings over there. So 1 and 2 is the correct statement. That means option B is the correct answer, right? 1 and 2. Question number 4. Sculpture of a dog chasing a deer in bronze metal is found in. Dog chasing a deer. First is Harappa, second Kalibangan, third Daimabad, and fourth Mohenjo-daro. So you have to find the correct answer. Pause the video, solve the question. The correct answer is Harappa. Sculpture of a dog chasing a deer in bronze metal is found in Harappa. There were many other archaeological findings in Harappa, like 2 rows of 6 granaries with big platform, stone symbol of Lingam and Yogini, mother goddess figure, wheat and barley in wooden mortar, then dice was there, copper scale and mirror were there, then sculpture of a dog chasing a deer in bronze metal, also nude dancing girl of stone and a red sandstone male torso have been excavated over there. So coming to question number 5. Consider the following statements with reference to terracotta sculptures found in Indus Valley civilization. A very important question. First is they are less in number in comparison to bronze figures. Second, they were made using pinching method. And third, the mother goddess figure is a famous example of terracotta sculpture. Sorry. So which of the above mentioned statement or statements is or are correct? 3 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 2 only, and all the above. So take your time, pause the video. I am telling you the answers here. Over here, all the 3 statements are correct. Yes, the terracotta sculptures, their number is less in comparison to bronze figures, and they were made using pinching method. If you remember the bronze sculptures, the bronze figures, they were made using lost wax technique, the bronze figures. And the terracotta sculptures, they were made using pinching method. And the mother goddess figure is a famous example of terracotta sculpture. So all the 3 statements are correct. Less in number, pinching method, and mother goddess example. 6th question. Which of the following archaeological findings is or are associated with Banwali or Banavali as you pronounce it? The first statement says toy pillow, second barley grains, third only city with radial streets, and fourth says decorated bricks. The options are 1 and 2 only, 1, 2 and 3 only, 2, 3, 4 only, or 1, 3 and 4 only. So take your time, pause the video. I am telling you the answers. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 3 only because decorated bricks is found in Kalibangan and not in Banwali. Okay, Banwali is a Indus Valley site in Haryana, right? So all these things are found in Haryana except decorated bricks. Decorated bricks, they are found in Kalibangan in Rajasthan. Okay, apart from these, other things that are found in in Banavali are toy pillow, barley grains, oval-shaped settlement. Oval-shaped settlement is also found in Banwali. And then only city, very important point, Banavali or Banwali is the only city with radial streets. Okay, so this is the correct answer over here. Coming to the 7th question. Select the correct statement or statements from the following with respect to the painted pottery found in Indus Valley civilization. So this is a question on pottery, a very important question again. It is also known as northern black polished ware. Trees, birds, animal figures, and geometrical patterns were the recurring themes of the paintings. And the third statement says most of the potteries found there were handmade. So the options are 2 only, 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, or 1 and 3 only. Take your time. I'm telling you the answers. So the first statement, as you know, is wrong because it is also known as red and black pottery. Red and black pottery. Northern black polished ware is the pottery of Mauryan times. The Mauryan pottery is generally known as northern black polished ware. Okay. Indus Valley pottery is known as red and black pottery. Right. Then trees, birds, animal figures, and geometrical patterns were the recurring themes of the paintings. This is correct. Most of the potteries found there were very fine wheel made wares. As the question says over here, most of the potteries found there were handmade. So this is again wrong. Handmade potteries were rare. Most of the paintings were very fine wheel made potteries, wheel made wares. So only second statement is correct. Okay. The first statement is also wrong and the third statement is also wrong. So 2 only. A option is the correct answer. The red color is used to paint the background and then glossy black paint was used to draw designs and figures. The background was red in color and the figures etc. they were made black in color with black paint. Okay, so that's why it is known as red and black pottery. Question number 8. Identify the correct statement or statements from the following in context to architecture in Harappan civilization. So the first statement says the Harappans used burnt mud bricks for the purpose of construction. Second, the towns were laid in a rectangular grid pattern. And third, the drains were kept open to allow regular cleaning and hygiene. So the options are 2 only, 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, and 1 and 3 only. Take your time, solve the question, answer it in the comment section below. I'm telling you the answers. So the first and second statement are correct. The Harappans, they used burnt mud bricks for the purpose of construction. The second statement is also correct. The towns were laid in a rectangular grid pattern. If you remember, they used to cut at 90 degrees, right angles. But the third statement is wrong because the drains were not kept open. They were loosely covered so that they can be removed, they can be cleaned and then finally covered again. So they were loosely covered to allow regular cleaning and hygiene. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 9. Double burial, rice husk, painted jar and modern day chess are associated with. So the options are Ropar, Balathal, Lothal and Alamgirpur. Take your time. I'm telling you the answer. The answer to this question is C. Option C, Lothal. All these things, double burial, rice husk, painted jar, modern day chess. Apart from that, many other things like dockyard, then fire altars, terracotta figure of horse and ship, instruments for measuring different degree angles, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees. So all these things are associated with Lothal. Okay. Lothal is also known as Manchester of Indus Valley Civilization. A very important point. Lothal is also known as Manchester of Indus Valley Civilization. So Lothal is the correct answer. And the last question for today is, which of the following Indus Valley site is the only site where there is no evidence to suggest the worship of the mother goddess? So Rakhigari, Kalibangan, Surkodara or Amri? So solve the question. The correct answer to this is Kalibangan, option B. Kalibangan is the only site of Indus Valley civilization where there is no evidence to suggest the worship of the mother goddess. Okay, so these were the 10 questions. I am posting some links in the description channel. I have uploaded videos on Indus Valley sites and their archaeological findings with the help of memory techniques. So that videos will help you a lot. Those videos will help you a lot. So I'm giving their links in the description below. Hope you like the videos. It will help you in revision. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Take care. Stay tuned. We'll upload more questions. 10 questions daily will be uploaded. So tomorrow I'll be uploading questions on modern art and architecture. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Thank you.